In this video, I'll show you how to lock your photos using Face ID on your iPhone. So what I mean by this, I'll just demonstrate quickly, is that when I'm going in my photos, well, this is the photo apps, and let's say I want to hide this picture over here. I tap on it, then tap this, and then select hide over here, hide photo. So this will disappear from my normal photo library and it will go in the hide folder. If I click on album here and I go down under hidden, when I click on it, it will ask for the Face ID if I want to see any pictures in this folder. So if I put my face over here, it will give me access to the picture I have hidden. So how to do this, how to hide pictures and only unlock with Face ID, you need to go into the settings over here and then go down. And by the way, you absolutely need to have the last iOS software installed on your iPhone. To know if you have the latest, just go in General, then Software Update, and it should be iOS is up to date. If not, this feature may not be available to you. And then in Settings, just go down until you see Photos. Tap on it and make sure that Use Face ID is turned on, because as it says over here, Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. So make sure this is turned on and this feature will work. So over here I'm showing, and these are my pictures. So this is it. This is how you lock your pictures with Face ID on your iPhone. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.